Hello everyone, welcome to Dubs Crafts. My name is Toady. I'm Kathy's fiance. Today I'm going to show you how to make something simple and easy that you can do with your kids to make them learn arts and craft. Plus it's also patriotic for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Veterans Day. You can make these so they can put them in the ground so they can shoot fireworks, or you can use them to put them in your garden to decorate your garden for the 4th of July, Memorial Day, or Veterans Day. What you're going to need is you're going to need a PVC pipe. Okay, you can make it, I make these 2.5 feet long, so it has room that it can put in the ground, stay in the ground, and it won't move very much. Okay, also you're going to need some paint. This is indoor outdoor paint. It works real well. You're going to need some painter's tape. And you're also going to need some stickers. You can buy these stickers at Dollar Tree, Dollar General. They don't really have to be, you know, really fancy or stuff like that. It's just got to stick to the PVC pipe, so when you spray paint it, you can peel them up and they make them look like stars that are on the thing. This is the ones that I've got. I made these myself. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you can see them real well like this, maybe. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, okay? First, you're going to take your PVC. You're going to take your painter's tape. I usually use my tape measure, and I'll measure down 9.5 inches. And what I'll do is I'll take a piece of painter's tape, and I'll go about 9.5 inches down to where I know where I want it at, and I'll start right there. I'll do a couple of wraps around it, like so. That's what it'll look like. It'll have a little piece of yellow tape around it where you can see around that's where your flag's going to be at. Then what you do is you're going to take another little piece of tape, like so. You're going to go right next to it. Okay? It's not going to overlap. It's going to go right next to it. So what that is, that gives you a mark where you need to know exactly where the next piece of tape is going to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the next piece of tape and you go right next to it, just like so. And then you're going to go around it and overlap that piece of tape you just put down. Like so. Now what this is going to do, we're going to do this all the way down the tube. And what we're going to do is we're going to end up to right about here on the tube, because that gives you enough to put into the ground so that it stands straight up. It's not going to swerve or move like this. Okay? So let's go ahead and finish this out, and then we'll go to the next step. Now on this last piece down here at the very bottom, you want to go a lot around. What happens is when you paint this, you don't want this bottom part to get colored. You want it to be white so you know how deep to go into the ground to put the thing in. Okay. Now remember all the little pieces that I put in here that were little tear-offs that I put in for the spacers here? What we're going to do is we're going to go in there, we're going to take those out. So you're going to leave the thick parts where you wrapped around a couple of times. You're just going to take the other pieces out like this. I know it's probably hard to see the yellow tape, but that's what it's going to look like, okay? Because once you get done, I'm going to show you something real quick. You'll see the stars that I made. I don't know if you can see them, they're kind of hard to see. But the stars that I made, if you look at the back side at an angle, I made some stars that I'm going to put up here for the flag with the stars. Okay, let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to start off with one, then I'm going to go diagonal all the way around to where it looks like there's a lot of stars on this piece. Okay? Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see it, the white stars on here, but when we paint it blue and take it off, those white stars, it's going to show the stars on the PVC pipe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this outside, we're going to paint the blue here, let it dry, then we're going to turn around and then we're going to take and spray all these little white spots here that we took the little excess stuff off like this. We're going to paint that all red. We're going to let it dry. Once we do all that, we're going to come back and we're going to take the stars off and we're going to take the tape off. And you're going to see the American flag on it. All right? Be right back. Have a good time waiting. Okay, so now we're done painting. So now we're going to start taking things off to show you what it looks like. Hold on for 1 second, I need my glasses. Ah, that's better, I can see now. See, the stars turned out pretty good. Now let's take off the rest of the stuff and make it look like an American flag. So, this is what I was talking about. This is how you can make your 4th of July little things for your yards, for your kids to put fireworks in and shoot off, or you can use them to decorate your lawn. I used to be American American Legion member because I'm a veteran, and I made some of these for them so they can put on the grave sites of soldiers. They loved them. So thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. God bless y'all. Please subscribe and support my fiance, Kathy. She really loves doing her crafts. Y'all have a wonderful day.